How to fix your Instagram login error. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that your internet is working properly. If you scroll down a bit, you'll need to make sure that if you're using cellular data, make sure it is working properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure it is working properly. So if there are any kind of issue with your network, what you can do in order to troubleshoot is simply tap on your airplane icon, turn it on, wait for a few seconds, tap on it, turn it off again, and then your network connection will be resetted, and like that you can troubleshoot that problem. So if it's still not working, the another thing that you need to do is simply head to your app store just like this and search for Instagram. If there are any sort of update requirement, you'll be able to see the option of update. Simply tap on it, and within a few seconds your Instagram will be up to date. So even after updating, if it's still not working, then you can now simply offload the application. So simply go back, open your settings, and then from here scroll down a bit, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and then from here scroll down until you see Instagram, tap on that one. In here offload app, tap on offload app one more time, and then within a few seconds your application will be offloaded. In order to reinstall it back, tap on a reinstall app, and then within a few minutes Instagram will be reinstalled back on your phone. After doing that, if you simply open your Instagram, I am pretty sure that you will be able to solve that login error. And that is it.